Today's episode will be dedicated to buying new construction in the Dominican Republic. And in the coming months, I will release similar videos about Costa Rica and St. Martin. So the first step is to visit our Caribbean real estate online portal. If you are visiting the portal for the first time, you will need to register and create your own password to gain full access to the portal. In this case, on the page of each project we are selling, you will see prices, floor plans, available apartments, payment terms, and other important information. If you have selected an apartment from the list of available units and want to reserve it, you click on the reservation form button, fill it out, and attach a copy of your passport along with a second document. This could be a driver's license, a permanent resident card, or another form of ID with your photo and personal information. As soon as we receive your completed preliminary application form, either I or someone from my team will contact you to discuss your selection. If we believe that your choice was not the best, we will definitely advise you on which apartment is better in this project and explain why. If you need more information about the project, you can always call us or even better schedule an online appointment or an appointment at our office in Richmond Hill. The link to schedule an appointment is available on our web portal. In addition, several of our agents are working on site in the Dominican Republic. And if you would like to go on a familiarization tour, we can easily arrange everything for you. After you have chosen the project and the apartment, we will place that apartment on hold with the developer for 24 hours. During this time, you will need to fill out 2 apartment reservation forms required by Dominican Republic law and make a deposit of $5,000 to the developer's account. As soon as the developer receives the money, they will immediately send you a receipt confirming receipt. Next, we send all your information and the details of the apartment you are purchasing to a law firm in Punta Cana that serves all our clients. The following day, the lawyer will contact you, send you a contract for working with this law firm, and an invoice for their services. The legal process, which includes the preliminary contract with the developer and the subsequent transfer of ownership to you after construction is completed, costs 1.5% of the property price. After signing the contract, you need to pay the lawyer 60% of their fee. For example, if the price of the apartment is $300,000, the lawyer's services will cost you $4,500, of which $2,700 is paid immediately, and $1,800 is paid upon receiving ownership after construction is completed. Next, the lawyer contacts the developer and works directly with the developer on your behalf. The contract is reviewed, its legal integrity is checked, necessary amendments are usually made, and ultimately the contract is sent to you for signing. Unfortunately, in the Dominican Republic, there is no electronic document signing, so the contract sent to you by the lawyer via email will need to be printed in 5 copies, signed with a blue pen, and sent, usually via DHL, to the office of the law firm representing you. After the lawyer receives the contract signed by you, the lawyer schedules a meeting at the developer's office. The contract is signed by the developer, notarized, and registered with the registration office. A copy of the completed contract will be sent to you by the lawyer via email, and the original can be kept at the law firm's office or mailed to your home address if you request. Then, you just need to make the payments specified in the contract on time. Usually these payments are linked to construction stages and spread over the construction period. In other words, at this stage, everything can be done without traveling to the Dominican Republic. At the end of construction, you will still need to come to the Dominican Republic to receive the keys and sign the documents for the transfer of ownership, since the registration of the apartment in your name can only be done in person. In reality, the process only seems complicated. The law firm Crescent Law, with whom we work in the Dominican Republic, has had an impeccable reputation for many years, and the professionalism of their lawyers is beyond question. With their help, purchasing here is easy. Maksim Baginskiy. See you next time on the channel.